Hi everyone, welcome. In this lesson we are going to learn the German ordinal numbers. They are called die Ordinalzahlen. So ordinal numbers, if you're not familiar with the terminology, it's just a number that indicates position or order in a sequence, such as in English first, second, third. These are the ordinal numbers. The cardinal numbers are counting numbers. In German, the ordinal numbers are based on the cardinal number. So if you know the cardinal numbers, there's a very simple conversion process to go from the cardinal number to the ordinal number. So from 1st to 19th in German, all you have to do is add TE to the corresponding cardinal number. So for example, the number 2 is zwei, so all you have to do is add the TE to zwei, and you have zweite, which means the second. There are a few exceptions to this rule of simply adding a TE to the cardinal number, and we will see those exceptions as we practice here. Okay, so if you want to say first, remember the rule is to add a TE to the cardinal number. So for 1, the number 1 is eins, so you would think you would add the TE to that, but first is actually one of those exceptions. You do have the TE, but we have an altered form here that just must be memorized. So first is erste. Now second does follow the rule, so we have zwei, and all you do is add T to it, so we have zweite. Third is also an exception, dritte. So you just have to memorize this one, dritte. Fourth, remember the cardinal number is vier, so just add a TE, and we have vierte. Fifth, the number 5 is fünf, so add a TE and you have fünfte. Sixth, we start with the number 6, sechs, and you add your TE, so we have sechste. Seventh is actually an exception, so you just have to remember siebte, memorize siebte. So notice instead of sieben, you just use part of the word, sieb. Eighth, the number 8th, also an exception, achte. Ninth, the number 9, neun, add the TE and you have neunte. 10th, the number 10 is 10, so add the TE, zehnte. For the rest of the numbers, there are no exceptions, so I'm just going to show them to you here. I think you get the idea where you add the TE. So 11th, elfte, 12th, zwölfte, 13th, dreizehnte, 14th, vierzehnte, 15th, fünfzehnte, 16th, sechzehnte, 17th, siebzehnte, 18th, achtzehnte, 19th, neunzehnte. And so here's where that adding the TE rule ends. 20th, notice it's STE, and that's the topic of the next video. So 20th, zwanzigste. Let's look at a few examples of ordinal numbers with nouns. If I want to say something in German like the first time, so the word for the time is das Mal. So all you have to do is add your ordinal number. And we have das erste Mal. Das erste Mal, the first time. The second movie. Movie is der Film. So I would have der zweite Film, the second film. The third week. Week is die Woche. Remember, third is dritte, so insert dritte between die and Woche, and you have die dritte Woche, the third week. The fourth day, the word for day is der Tag, and remember fourth is vierte, so insert vierte between der and Tag, and you have der vierte Tag. The fifth hour, the word for hour is die Stunde. Remember fifth is fünfte, so we have die fünfte Stunde. That's it for this lesson on ordinal numbers. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning about ordinal numbers, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Bis bald.